Two major cloud platforms, Linode and Cloudways, compete for your project. One offers raw control, the other effortless management. Which one really delivers? On the left, Linode, raw, flexible cloud VPS power. On the right, Cloudways, managed cloud hosting, simplified for speed and scale. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the details that matter for developers and teams. Each category scores points, and by the end you'll see exactly which platform comes out on top. The result could surprise you, especially if you think they're just the same. So here's our roadmap for today. We're comparing Linode and Cloudways across a bunch of categories: price, performance, ease of use, features and flexibility, data center locations, support and community, and security. Basically, everything you really care about when choosing a cloud VPS or managed host. First up, price. Linode, I'm just gonna say it's super cheap. We're talking like $5 a month for a base VPS, and you actually get transparent per resource billing, no hidden stuff. Bandwidth overages are lower too, but here's the catch: you're doing most of the server grunt work yourself. Now, Cloudways is more, let's say, all-inclusive. You're looking at around $11 a month for a similar config, but you get the fully managed experience bundled in. If you're on a tight budget though, honestly, Linode wins hands down for pure affordability. Cloudways is like that fancy restaurant where the wine is built into the bill, but you could just grab a sandwich next door. So yeah, Linode snags this round. On to performance. With Linode, you get direct control of your resources. Want to crank those CPU cores, add high memory, or even GPU plans? Go for it. Plus, their raw IaaS is fast, like serious low latency. The only thing, you're the chef, so performance tuning and server optimization falls on you. Then there's Cloudways. They throw in caching, a CDN, and all sorts of optimizations out of the box. You want to scale with one click, done. But, and this is wild, if you actually run Linode through Cloudways, it's not quite as snappy as using native Linode. There's just a dash of overhead. So for the absolute best raw performance, Linode takes the gold here too. Next, ease of use. This one shifts gears. Linode gives you full root access and deep API options, so if you're a command line ninja, you'll feel right at home. But for beginners, yikes, the learning curve is steep. You gotta do manual updates, set up security, honest work, but not for everyone. Meanwhile, Cloudways is like the best training wheels ever. You get this easy dashboard, automated backups, staging, free SSL, all baked in. No server management headaches. If you're after pure convenience, this is a major win. Cloudways clearly nails the usability crown. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know: Cloudways actually lets you deploy on Linode hardware. So, if you want Linode's raw speed but still crave Cloudways' super easy UI and features, you can mix and match. You get the best of both worlds, honestly. Features and flexibility, oh, this is juicy. Linode is the Swiss Army knife. You want custom OSes, Kubernetes clusters, GPUs, databases, tricky networking, it's all on the menu. But it can get overly complex if you just want to deploy a simple website. Now flip to Cloudways. You get managed servers not only on Linode but also DigitalOcean, AWS, you name it. Plus, there's built-in cache, CDN, pretty much every web app tool you could dream of. But its best features hinge on which cloud partner you pick, and it's really dialed in for web apps. So for maximum flexibility and raw options, Linode stirs up the win this time. Data center locations. Linode's got 24 data centers around the globe, and that's nothing to sneeze at. But compared to the big dogs, it's still kinda fewer regions. Now, Cloudways sort of cheats in an epic way. It lets you pick from around 65 regions because you can launch servers not just on Linode, but Vultr, DigitalOcean, AWS, all those. Some regions are only available via certain backend providers, but oof, for pure reach, Cloudways absolutely dominates here. Support and community. Linode brings 24/7 support by email, ticket, phone, plus a seriously active user base and lots of docs. The caveat? The help focuses on, hey, something up with the server hardware and not your web stack. Cloudways, in contrast, gives you full-on managed support for web apps and PHP stuff, plus their community is buzzing too. Downside? Any deeper issues with the actual physical hosting, they just kinda kick you back to the provider. So in reality, both have strengths here. Let's call it a tie. How about security? Linode is like, you want control, here's the keys. Full OS hardening, but you gotta manually patch and keep everything up to date. Cloudways, oh, they automate a ton of it. Security patches, managed firewalls, malware scans, super comfy if you don't want surprises. It's a bit less customizable for real hardcore users, but honestly, for most folks, that convenience wins. Cloudways takes the edge on security. Here, how everything stacks up visually, Linode excels at price, raw power, flexibility, and direct control. Cloudways shines for ease, managed features, data center reach, support for web apps, and security. Both have their quirks, so it comes down to what vibe you want for your project. If you're the type who loves tinkering and squeezing every dollar, Linode is your playground. But if you just want something quick, painless, and supported, Cloudways is your hero. For big web projects, managed stores, or anything PHP or WordPress, Cloudways is honestly a smoother ride. But if you need the lowest cost and total server freedom, Linode's your MVP. Web mastery starts with the right host. So before you launch that next project, do yourself a favor, compare plans on both Linode and Cloudways, kick the tires, and pick the fit that makes your life easier. Catch you in the next one.